Hi there. So I wanted to walk you through how to use our Boom Learning cards. This is something new for me. I'm sure it's new for you as well. So I thought this video might be helpful to teach you how to navigate. So you can search for Boom Learning, or you can type in up at the top, boomlearning.com. So when you get there, you're going to click on Student Sign In, and you'll sign in with Boom. Your child's username will be whatever their first name is, and then Madison. So for Braylon, it'd be Braylon Madison, or Caden Madison, Ergie Madison. I'm going to use Jadira as an example. And the password is just your child's first name, all lowercase. Okay, so when you get in, you will get to see the things that I have assigned for your child to practice. So we have lots of different activities. So this first one is match shapes. Click on the matching shape. So you might have to set them up by clicking on next. Okay, and so then here you say, okay, which shape matches the black one? Let's say I clicked on this one. Nope, I can't click on it again. The choice is removed. When I get it right, it just moves me right on to the next one. So this is kind of nice. I tried to find activities like this, and I'm going to try to create more activities like this. But it's something you can set your child up with and hopefully walk away. If you need to start getting lunch ready, help your other kiddos deal with everything else going on in your life. And they can just go ahead and keep on clicking through. So then some other activities that I have here, recognizing letters. So this one tells you what letter to find. When you get it wrong, it tells you again. And it will just move you on to the next one. Now it wants you to find the G. And it just keeps moving you through. I thought that was nice and convenient for you guys, so you didn't have to be right there the whole time, but you're absolutely welcome to be to help support your child. We've been talking a lot about opposites this month. This might be a tough one. I am going to look for some other opposite ones, but this was the best one I could find right now. I might have to make one, which is going to be something new for me. But this is definitely something you would have to do with your child. Okay, this dog's under. What's the opposite of under? Is it over or is it heavy? And then you have to drag it and click it there. So it might be a little bit tougher to do, but something you could work on with your child. We've been talking a lot too about faces and emotions. Okay, which one is mad? Which one looks like her? She's mad. And you keep going on. There's one about faces, so you gotta decide which one is different. I'm gonna add more. They're called decks. I'm gonna add more decks to this. But for now, I just wanted to give you a place to start off with. It's great if you have a touchscreen device because then your child can just go ahead and touch. If you have any questions, let me know. If there's something that you're specifically looking for that you would like your child to work on with this, let me know. There are hundreds and thousands of decks on here that I could find something for. So let me know if you have any questions or if you have any areas that you would like to be added into your assignments. Thanks, guys.